Hello everyone, Alan RC Duke. Just want to show this toy that was sent to me. It's pretty cool. Came from a Silin. That's capital S-Y, capital L-I-N. Y'all check her out on Facebook and she'll hook y'all up with these awesome little toys like this for your kids and all. She also does high boxing RC stuff. It's pretty awesome. So y'all check her out, please. But this is the little toy she sent me. It's awesome for your little kids and a birthday gift and Christmas gift. 255 pieces. It's pretty awesome. But that's the box it comes in. That's the little instruction book right there. And that's who it's made by. Sumxtech. However you say that. Sumxtech. It's real easy to follow. You do is line up, you find your little pieces, and you line them up. You just put them on the board like it tells you to. Real simple instructions, y'all. Easy to follow. Cool stuff. I enjoyed putting it together. It's pretty cool. Get a little warranty card, scan the barcode and all that. So, and the little giraffe and the pieces move on it too. It's pretty cool. The windows open up, the doors and all that. The propeller and all that turns. And y'all check this out. It runs on a 1A battery. Now if you don't have the battery dies, you can always crank it by hand. But once they get going good, I'm going good in there. That's it. There you go. Now in a circle. You go on the little conveyor. It pulls them up. Goes around the roof. Around the little slides like that. Comes to the little giraffe. And then on the back of the plant, the tree. You see it. And goes back up again. Pretty cool stuff. It's all well-made plastic. You move the little things around, put them in different spots if you want. Or you just pull it off and put it somewhere else. Pretty cool stuff. So that's all I got. Just want to show y'all. She sent me this. If y'all want one, y'all check her out. Like I said, on Facebook, y'all look up Silin. That's capital S, small y, capital L, small I-N. Silin. S-Y-L-I-N. And she's gonna hook y'all up with this. We got discount codes and all kind of stuff, man. Cool stuff. And like I said, they also do RC stuff. She does RC stuff and all kind of things. Y'all please check her out. Look her up on Facebook. Silin. S-Y-L-I-N. Awesome. Alright, y'all. Everybody have a great day. Cool beans. Awesome. Later, everyone.